Authentic Mexican street tacos. Ingredients: for taco filling, 1 pound, 450 grams, beef, chicken, or pork. Choose your preferred meat. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 small onion, finely chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Adjust to your spice preference. Salt and pepper to taste, 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, coriander. For serving, corn tortillas, small street taco size. Chopped fresh cilantro, coriander, diced white onion, salsa, red or green, to your liking. Lime wedges, optional toppings, sliced radishes, avocado slices, crumbled queso, fresco, sour cream, hot sauce. Instructions: prepare the meat. If using beef, thinly slice it against the grain. For chicken or pork, dice into small pieces. In a large skillet, heat the vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add the chopped onion and saute until translucent, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the minced garlic and cook for another 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the meat to the skillet, along with cumin, chili powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper. Cook the meat until it's brown and fully cooked through. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. Once the meat is cooked, remove the skillet from heat and stir in the chopped cilantro. Set aside. Warm the tortillas. Heat a separate non-stick skillet over medium heat. Warm the corn tortillas for about 20 to 30 seconds on each side until they are soft and pliable. You can also wrap them in a damp paper towel and microwave them for a few seconds. Assemble the tacos. Place a spoonful of the prepared meat filling on each tortilla. Top with chopped cilantro, diced onions, and a drizzle of salsa. Squeeze fresh lime juice over the toppings. Add optional toppings. You can get creative and add sliced radishes, avocado slices, crumbled queso fresco, sour cream, or your favorite hot sauce to enhance the flavor. Serve and enjoy. Serve the street tacos immediately while they are warm and enjoy their authentic Mexican flavors. These street tacos are perfect for gatherings, parties, or a delicious weeknight dinner. Enjoy the burst of flavors and don't be afraid to customize them to your taste.